Every second, McDonald's sells about 75 burgers. That's nearly 5 million burgers every single day. But here's a question nobody asks. If McDonald's sells burgers, why is it one of the biggest real estate companies in the world? Yep, McDonald's doesn't make most of its money from fast food. It makes it from something far more powerful land. And this secret has quietly made McDonald's richer than many oil companies. Welcome back to Insight Equity, where we uncover the real business behind the brand. In this episode, we are going beyond the golden arcs to decode how McDonald's turned fast food into a financial empire, and how a small restaurant in San Bernardino became a real estate titan worth over $180 billion. By the end of this video, you will realize McDonald's doesn't just sell food, it sells locations. It all started in 1954. Ray Kroc, a milkshake machine salesman, walked into a small burger joint run by two brothers, Dick and McDonald. He saw long queues, speedy service, and one thing most restaurants didn't have: consistency. Burgers tasted the same, fries were golden every time, and customers kept coming back. Kroc didn't just see a restaurant, he saw a system, one that could be replicated across America. So he convinced the brothers to let him franchise their business. But as he started opening outlets, he realized something strange. Franchise owners made great profits, but he didn't. Franchise owned the restaurant, paid a small royalty to McDonald's, and kept most of the earnings. Kroc was scaling fast, but with thin margins. Then came the game changer. Harry Sonborn, McDonald's first CFO, told him something that would redefine capitalism. You are not into the hamburger business, you are into the real estate business. That one insight flipped McDonald's forever. Here's how McDonald's quietly built a $1 trillion blueprint. Instead of just franchising restaurants, McDonald's bought the land first and then leased it to franchisees. That means every time a McDonald's opens, the company earns rent even if the outlet sells zero burgers. Franchises pay a percentage of the sales as royalty as well as the fixed rent on the top. Over decades, McDonald's became the landlord of more than 38,000 locations in 100 plus countries. So when you walk into a McDonald's, you are stepping into a piece of real estate that earns money 24 by 7. Let's look at the numbers. In 2024, McDonald's made $25 billion in revenue, but guess what? More than 80% of its operating income came not from selling food, but from franchise rent and royalties. That's right, burgers make headlines, but land make the money. This structure also shields McDonald's during recessions. When consumer spending drops, franchise struggles, but McDonald's still collects rent, rain or shine. So while most restaurant chains chase customers, McDonald's chases prime real estate. McDonald's mastered something powerful: the asset-light model of business. It doesn't build every outlet, it finds strategic land, leases it, and lets franchise run the operations. The result: steady rental income plus minimal operational risk and add on global scale. And here's the craziest part. Many of McDonald's outlets are located on the most valuable intersections in every city. Real estate experts joke that McDonald's could sell off its land portfolio and still be richer than the most fast food chains combined. So, what can we learn from this? McDonald's teaches one of the oldest wealth rules: don't just sell a product, own the system that sells it. Ray Kroc didn't just create a burger business, he created a machine that earns rent, royalties, and real estate appreciation. That's how wealth scales, not by working harder, but by designing systems that pay you repeatedly. So, next time you grab a burger at McDonald's, remember, you are not just buying food, you are paying rent to one of the smartest landlords in history. And this isn't just McDonald's. Coca Cola, Netflix, Apple, they all have hidden businesses behind their public image. In the next episode, we will reveal how Coca Cola built an empire without owning its factories. Until then, stay curious because the world's biggest brands often have the smallest visible truths.